Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I am going to explain about the hiccups, how it occurs and how to stop this. Generally, hiccups occur because of involuntary contraction of the diaphragm along with sudden closure of glottis. Because of this involuntary contraction, air is trapped inside the lungs causing a sound called hic. We call this as hiccups. Generally, diaphragm is a muscle which separates the lungs as well as the stomach. So, any problem associated with the stomach may leads to hiccups. There are various causes of hiccups. People who overeating are people who eat fast, people who drinks very fast, and people who drink carbonated beverages, and conditions of problems associated with the stomach like gastritis, gastroesophageal reflux disease, people who smoke, alcohol, and certain medicines like benzodiazepines, corticosteroids, barbiturates may also cause hiccups. As diaphragm muscle is supplied by the vagus nerve, phrenic nerve, any damage to these nerves are tumor, cyst, goiter in the neck, or any tumor in the central nervous system like encephalitis, meningitis, these conditions also cause hiccups. But in these cases, hiccups will be very severe and it will last for a long time. Now we're going to see how to control these hiccups. First, these home remedies work based on the principle of stimulation of vagus nerve as well as the phrenic nerve. First proven method is eating 1 to 2 teaspoons of sugar. Eating sugar may reduce the hiccups. Why? Because sugar has in the form of kristols. Whenever this sugar is intake, it irritates the esophagus and it irritates the back of the throat so that it relaxes the diaphragm. If there is no sugar, we can also take honey. 1 to 2 teaspoons of honey may also stop hiccups. Other proven method is eating a slice of lemon. Lemon being acidic, it disrupts the esophagus and distracts the vagus nerve, relaxes the diaphragm and stops the hiccups. Other proven method like sipping cold water, holding breath for 3 to 5 seconds may also stop hiccups. Whenever we hold breath, it builds the carbon dioxide and in turn it relaxes the diaphragm so that hiccups will be stopped. And other is breathing into paper bag also stops the hiccups. And certain maneuvers like we should pull our knees to our chest and we should lean forward. This maneuver also stops hiccups. Whenever the hiccups are severe, certain muscle relaxants like baclofen is also helpful. If the hiccups are more than 48 hours, please consult your doctor and treat accordingly. This is all about hiccups. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.